Now, may I ask, what do you expect to learn from this lesson?
I expect for new vocabulary, or I can talk in the right sentence.
Yes. Okay, so we'll try to find out if we will be able to meet up with your expectation. So here we have the role play. We have the employee and the manager. Now, we are going to take part in reading the role play. So, one of us will be employee and another one will be manager. Who would you like to be?
I like to be employee.
Okay, then you go ahead first.
Okay. Excuse me, do you have a moment? I need to double check with you about the agenda for our meeting next week.
Sure, of course.
Here is the agenda.
Would you be able to change item 3 on the agenda and move it to another meeting? I have to leave the meeting early because I'll be interviewing 3 job candidates for their second round of interviews.
Just to make sure that we are on the same page, are you saying that you like to cut the meeting short?
Yes, please.
I see. Okay, I understand now. I'll get the new agenda done as soon as possible.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, we change roles.
Okay.
I'll be the employee. Excuse me, do you have a moment? I need to double check with you about the agenda for our meeting next week.
Sure, of course.
Here is the agenda.
Would you be able to change item 3 on the agenda and move it to another meeting? I have to leave the meeting early because I'll be interviewing 3 job candidates for their second round of interviews.
Just to make sure that we're on the same page, are you saying that you'd like to cut the meeting short?
Yes, please.
I see. Okay, I understand now. I'll get the new agenda done as soon as possible.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Okay, very good. That was nice. Now, let me ask you, what does the employee need to double check with the manager about?
The employee need to double check with the manager about agenda of their meeting.
Okay. Let's go to the next question. What changes does the manager want the employee to make?
The manager wants to change item 3 on the agenda and move it to another meeting.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Why does the manager have to leave the meeting early?
Because the manager will be interviewing 3 job candidates for the second round.
Okay, that's great. Now, what new words or phrases did you learn from the role play? Are there any that you would like to ask?
I think we are on the same page.
Okay, so when you say we are on the same page, this means that these two people are thinking about the same thing. So they have the same idea and it's almost the same. So they haven't talked about it. Only that they both are thinking the same thing. Only one thing. Okay, any other? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, so any other?
No, only one.
Only one. Alright, so that's good. Now let's go to the next stage, which is the contrastive analysis. So here, you will be able to differentiate the two words. So we have here two sets of words. First is we have loud versus round, and then please versus peace. Okay, let's go first to the first one. We have loud. Say that first. Loud.
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 Okay, the other one is round.
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 Loud.
Very good. Now, what do you mean by loud?
Loud. Loud mean noise, something noisy.
Okay, so it has a lot of noise. A lot of
Yes.
noise, and it has a lot of sound. Too loud. Okay, so could you give me an example sentence there?
In
In the example sentence there, could you please read it?
okay. In a sample,
Yes.
the music is very loud at the club.
Okay.
Please do not speak loudly in the library.
Okay. So, in the first sentence, the music is very loud at the club. The word loud there is an adjective. While on the second example, please do not speak loudly in the library, it is used as an adverb. Okay, it is an adverb. Now, what about round? What do you mean by round?
Round. Like second times.
Okay, so it is time session. Time session. How many times have you done something? Okay, now, could you please read the example sentence there?
Congratulations for making it to the second round of your interview.
Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the second set of words. We have please versus peace. Okay, repeat after me. Please.
Please.
Very good. Once more. Please.
Please.
Okay, the second one is peace.
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 Okay, so what do you mean by please?
Peace. Please, like begging something.
Okay.
Someone.
Yeah, sometimes when you are begging something, you say please. But actually, we use please when we are asking someone to do something. So it is a polite way of asking. It's not really for begging. But sometimes people are using it for something. Yeah, could be. Sometimes they use it for begging. But the actual meaning, the real meaning for it is used to politely ask someone to do something so that they will do something for us, so that they will do it. We have to be polite when we are asking. Now, could you please read the example there?
Could you please open the door for me? Thank you.
Very good. Now, let's go to the second word, which is peace. Now, what do you mean by peace?
Peace. Like how can I say?
Like a what?
ชิ้น
Come again. What is it?
Peace is I don't know how can I say, like one piece something. I one pizza, one piece, like.
Okay, so when you say piece, it is a part of something. It is a part of something. For example, you have there the whole pizza. Okay, you slice the pizza into pieces. So one part of the pizza is a piece. One piece. It's a part. Okay, so it's not only the pizza, a cake too. There's a piece of cake. So when things are sliced into parts, so one part of it is a piece. Okay. All right. So let's go back again to the words. Please repeat after me. Loud.
Loud.
Round.
Round.
Please.
Please.
Peace.
Peace.
Okay. Now you know already what each word means there. Now may I ask you to make sample sentence about these words on your own, not from the book. Your own sentence. Use loud in a sentence. Even just simple sentence is okay.
Like loud. Please speak louder.
Okay, please. Yes, that's good. How about round?
Round. I'm today I'm jogging to round.
I'm jogging. What is this?
No.
I'm
I
going
mean-
to jog. I'm going to jog 2 rounds.
Yes, I mean that.
Okay, very good. Say that again. I'm going to jog 2 rounds.
I'm going to jog 2 rounds.
Okay, that means it's still a plan. You haven't done it. You are still going to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the next part, which is fill in the blanks. Now you have there 4 sentences. What you are going to do is to fill in the blanks with loud, round, please, and peace. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. You must pass 3 rounds of the interview to get this job.
Okay, so you said 3. So you have to say rounds. Okay, go back again and please repeat the sentence.
Okay. You must pass 3 rounds of interview to get the job.
Okay, very good. Next one.
Okay, the next. Could you please show me the way to the office building?
Very good. Next one.
Yes. How many piece of chicken would you like to buy?
Okay, you say how many pieces of chicken?
How many pieces of chicken you would like to buy?
Again, go back. Repeat it again, please.
Okay. How many pieces of chicken would you like to buy?
Okay, very good. Next one.
Okay. Could you? I
couldn't.
Oh, sorry. I couldn't sleep last night because my neighbor were very loud.
Okay, very good.